Hey Bob, I appreciate you spending some time with us today. So, as Director of Business Affairs, tell us a little bit about what that role entails.
Well, essentially my job is to oversee all the operational components and departments within the school district. I mean, that ranges from transportation, food services, operations and facilities, all the business office functions. I'd say overall, if you ask me my responsibility, it's really to ensure compliance, increase productivity, control costs, improve efficiencies in such a way that we can still enhance the education for the students.
So when you're looking at the different challenges and you're looking with companies who can partner with you to make your job easier, what are some of the characteristics or things that you look for in someone that you're hoping will help you?
Obviously somebody you can trust, somebody that's reliable, somebody that's consistent, obviously somebody that provides a product that can meet your needs. Some of the most successful relationships we've had in the district that have produced the best results came from long-standing relationships that we've developed with vendors and strategic partners along the way. Ricoh being one of them. Ricoh has done a really good job consistently improving their technology and innovative ways to do business and daily business better. Some of the things that we've done, including putting in a copy center, which has really helped from the standpoint of we do all our large volume copying there, which has saved costs. We've got rid of old outdated printers, I would say, about 150 of them, put in various multifunctional printers and copiers throughout our district. I think it's saved us, annually about $90,000. Wow. A lot less machines, but a lot more capacity and a lot more functionality, which I think was really embraced by our staff and students. So we've been able to improve the services that we provide to our community, staff, and students. The functionality is so much better. The technology's better. Children can do things more efficiently. Staff can do things more efficiently. And at the same token, when we made all those improvements, the cost went down. So to me, it's a win-win.
So when you look at information, say 5, 10, even 15 years ago versus how you're using it today, what do you see are the differences?
Well, today there's so much data and accurate data at your fingertips with technology. So we're obviously able to make better solutions. When it comes to our printer and copier solutions, the device management tools and software that we have, whereby we can monitor what's going on, where, who's using what, for what purpose, has really been a big benefit, because right now we've been able to strategically put machines in areas of need.
What strikes me within your industry, if I can say that, is that because you are concerned with that cost aspect so much, it seems like the data really helps you manage that and still be more productive.
Absolutely. Without good data, you can't make good decisions. So the more data you have, and I say data that's accurate and consistent, really helps you make better decisions. It's that simple.
So what do you see down the road, and what advice could you give someone that's watching this video, to help them?
One of the key things that I think we did was several years ago is we brought everything, all of our copying and printing solutions under one umbrella and one vendor, which was Ricoh. And it made implementing an overall program much easier, because there was oversight and a great partnership with the people from Ricoh that they could then manage the entire district and all of our resources to make better solutions. And we found that strategic alliance to really help us save more money than having different vendors working with us. Well, some of the initiatives that we're currently working on and will be down the road initiatives also include one-to-one technology, whereby our goal is to outfit every student with a device, a learning device, within the next couple years. We've already implemented that at the high school. We're in the middle of doing that at our middle school and piloting some at our elementary schools. Along the way, we're also building new facilities. We built a new elementary school. We're in the process of building a second elementary school and then a middle school. And the layout of those facilities are totally different than what everyone has seen in schools of the past. The layouts are more collaborative. There's a lot of large group instruction space. There's a lot of space that's small group instruction, but also space where students can go and work in small groups on their own, individually. The hallways are lined with chairs and couches, and so it's more inviting for students to go and work together.
Yeah.
I think it helps them socially, but also, again, with the access to technology and data, there's so much more for them to learn in different environments. And it's not just standing listening to a teacher. It's learning on their own. So I would say focus on one particular vendor, focus on somebody that you trust, somebody that's reliable, somebody who provides equipment that is state-of-the-art, and someone who will constantly be taking the initiative to give you solutions without us asking, and also someone that's willing to spend the time to be in your district, talking with and communicating with your parents, your students, your teachers, your staff. And I found that Ricoh as an organization has met all of those criteria.
Fantastic. Well, hey, I want to thank you very much for spending some time with us today. We really appreciate it.
Sure, great.
Some great
My pleasure.
information. Thank you.